Okay, guys, since this episode has been pre recorded because we are such diligent podcasters, we don't know whether this episode is coming before the Canada show or if it's coming after. So, if it's coming before the Canada show, it might be sold out. If it's not sold out, please sell it out. And if it's coming after the Canada shows, then thank you guys for amazing three sold out shows in Canada, sold out show in London. This tour was fantastic. Thank you so much for supporting us all the time. And we're going to be back with more new IPs, live IPs for you guys very, very soon.
Thakur, you know what you've done, right? Houseful 5 has two endings. This podcast has two
Yeah.
openings.
Openings.
Also, would just like to remind you guys that we have tied up with Amazon Music. So this particular episode is going to drop on Amazon Music first, and after a week, will it arrive at any other audio platform? So thank you so much, Amazon Music, for partnering with us, and we look forward to Prime Day.
Yes. Also, YouTube drop remains the same, just to let
Yes.
you know.
Yes.
Yes. Thank you so much, Amazon Music. चालू करते हैं आज का एपिसोड in 3, 2, 1. Hello and welcome to another episode of The Internet Said So, a show where we take random student riddles and facts that develop us stories and we talk about it. Or today, we have figured out another way to talk about Bollywood. Because after 50 episodes of talking about Bollywood, we're like, how do we talk about Bollywood again? Then we realized कि भाई भर भर के इतना random trivia पड़ा है इंटरनेट पे
Oh my
कि
God.
it deserved its own episode. So Bollywood trivia, बहुत लोग तेरे से शुरू करते हैं.
Okay, so I mean, when I was looking for Bollywood trivia, basically the first page that would pop up, okay, is the official IMDb page for various actors, and IMDb has a trivia section. Now, it's always rewarding to go to the trivia section on IMDb because you get to really see some interesting things. The most interesting, however, was Ranbir Kapoor's IMDb page. Because whoever has written this particular page has done Ranbir Kapoor dirty. Okay, basically, he has reduced all the work, all the stuff, all the talent of Ranbir Kapoor to one singular word, and it is nepotism. You go through Ranbir Kapoor's IMDb page, it is just, ye dekho kitna nepotism. It is just that. Okay. So
Okay.
here's the page. It's wild. This is the official IMDb page, right? So it starts with his favorite movies. Great, amazing, good start. Then it begins. Ready? Shares his
Yeah.
name with his grandfather, the legendary Raj Kapoor. Ranbir Kapoor is relative of Anil Boni, Sanjay Sonam, and Arjun Kapoor. His great grandfather Prithviraj Kapoor was a cousin of Surinder Kapoor. His father Rishi Kapoor's brother is Ranbir Kapoor, whose wife is Babita Kapoor. Babita's cousin is classic actress Sadhana Shivdasani. Discovered actor Jatin Sial for Aa Ab Laut Chale. Great grandnephew of Shami Kapoor and Shashi Kapoor. Nephew of Karan Kapoor, Kunal Kapoor, Sanjana Kapoor. Cousin of Kareena Kapoor and Karishma Kapoor. Son of Rishi Kapoor and Neetu Kapoor. Great grandson of Prithviraj Kapoor. Nephew of actors Kunal Kapoor, Karan Kapoor, Sanjana Kapoor. Okay, this is a repeat.
At this point, they're just naming his entire family tree. It's
Exactly.
like,
It is so
मैं अपने
bizarre.
परदादा का परपोता होऊंगा ना. That's not going to change.
उन्होंने क्या किया है? तू अपने परदादा का पड़पोता है और तेरे परदादा तेरे परदादा है.
हाँ. And that's just basically this is somebody writing like an exam paper जहाँ पे देखो एक sentence 25 तरीके से लिखना है and अपना आंसर शीट भरनी है.
Bro, it is
भरना है, correct.
so crazy. It is grandnephew of Prem Nath, Rajendra Nath, Narendra Nath, and Raveen Nath. What is this? He
Nath.
great
Who was
grandnephew
Nath?
of actor Trilok Kapoor. Cousins from side of Bhatt family: Mohit Suri, Vishesh Bhatt, Imran Hashmi, Smiley Suri,
Wait.
Darshan.
What?
How is he cousins with Mahesh Bhatt's family? Because his wife is Alia Bhatt, who's Mahesh
Yeah.
Bhatt's daughter. So he's
Are
married to
they
his cousin.
cousins?
Whoever has
शादी
written
में
this-
भी nepotism.
whoever
अबे
has-
नेपोटिज्म नहीं है भाई, कुछ और चल रहा है यहाँ पे.
Dude, this is wild, huh? It's just literally, it doesn't end, by the way. It goes on to, it went from son of to grandson of to grandnephew of, and now we've come to second cousin of actor Adhiraj Malhotra.
This guy's just angry. It's just like, I understand his anger. Must have been some frustrated guy who was an actor and then is like, भाई इसका तो मैं पूरा पोल खोल के रहा हूँ. But तू कितना पोल खोल सकता है? सबको पता है what family they belong to. So I don't know और कितना पोल खोल सकता है तू.
Dude, in
Who do you think has written this?
I think it's Deepika
It's-
Padukone after the breakup. She's like,
Bro, but what a list.
what a
This
list.
list sounds like it's a waiter at a Udupi restaurant.
Yeah, dude.
it's just-
Prakash Kapoor, Raj Kapoor, Ranbir Kapoor, Sanjay Kapoor, Bonnie Kapoor.
Dude, and the thing is, whoever this person is has also found out people who like are very lesser known. For example, we've come down to grandnephew of actor Pinchu Kapoor, who is Raj
What?
Kapoor's paternal cousin.
to be related to Pinchu Kapoor and be accused of nepotism is
No,
actually a
no,
really
na.
hard sell.
Chutiye, Pinchu is getting
Usne-
accused of nepotism, na. Ranbir थोड़ी Pinchu की help लेके picture कर रहा है चूतिया.
I don't know. At this point, it's being blamed on Pinchu.
He's, by the way, so 1 second.
पिंचू को बोल रहे पब्लिक ये तेरा जो प्रिविलेज है ना कि पिंचू कपूर से तू रिलेटेड है.
Dude, they
I
went
think
further.
उसका सब privilege निकल गया जैसे उसने पढ़ा कि उसका नाम पिंचू है. उधर भी सब privilege करो.
Bro,
सर लेकिन कपूर है. नहीं 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 आगे क्या लिखा है? पिंचू.
it goes further. So, grandnephew
shit.
of Pinchu, but great grandnephew of actor and RK studio manager Vishwa Mehra. Vishwa was great grandmother Ram Sarni Mehra's first cousin. I mean, that's crazy.
Bro, at this point in time, he's just one step right from writing away father of Raha Kapoor, who is definitely going to be a big star when she is.
No, you know
Older
what
now.
amazes me? I think after reading this IMDb trivia page, I know more about Ranbir's family than my own family. And
Sure.
by a lot. Like by
Bro,
Absolutely.
At this point, if you go to a Kapoor family function and some uncle comes to you, beta, मैं कौन हूँ, and you're like, अरे आप तो पिंचू कपूर हो."
it's,
पिंचू जी, हाँ, मेरी पौधा.
it's wild. It is wild. I can't believe this is the official IMDb page.
But it's the truth, right? Like, what
Yeah, yeah.
you can bro, if you actually have the time and you
Hmm.
sit your ass down and you open two laptops and you don't have size service and you just decide to cut. सबका किधर ना किधर उसका कुछ ना कुछ कनेक्शन तो निकलेगा ही निकलेगा ब्रो.
Dude, it is
मतलब वो तो
wild.
ऐसे वो ऐसे कॉर्डिसेप्स फैलता है ना, मशरूम्स.
You're saying everybody in Bollywood is somewhere related somehow. You're just saying कि ऐसा कुछ weird web
If
बन
they-
रहा है.
if they weren't already, they are now by marriage or whatever. So the future generation, तो मेरे को बता जब अपन इस पॉडकास्ट एपिसोड 9200 कर रहे हैं और उस पे अपन ने मूवी ट्रिविया 501 वाला पार्ट किया, उसमें जब अपन बैठ के बात करेंगे सोच क्या
Yeah,
होगा वो.
like
So it's just
Raha-
Game of Thrones. Just Game of Thrones happening. Just, this house joins
Yeah,
this house.
yeah, yeah,
Let's
yeah.
make
Yeah.
it stronger.
Power
Sawal.
always it coagulates. That's how you
Yes.
sustain it. But speaking of Pinchu, so it sounds like a nickname, right? But it's not. It's not a name. I don't know. Please, whoever's written this, please let us know. But Bollywood is also famous for having nicknames for actors, right? Like the famous nicknames of actors. Now we all know
Yeah.
some of them, right? Like
Hmm.
Duggu is
Ritik.
Ritik, हाँ.
like it's a,
Duggu is Ritik, bhai.
yeah.
And
Adarsh-
Rakesh Roshan is Guddu.
Guddu, हाँ.
अबे
Oh, that's
Buddu
why
नहीं-
it's Duggu. Buddu क्यों है वो?
बुड्ढू नहीं है.
उस हिसाब से तो
डुग्गू
आधे
और-
इंडस्ट्री का नाम बुड्ढू होना चाहिए.
Be thankful it's not Fuddu. So, okay. Now, here are some of the lesser one knowns that I found, or at least lesser known to me. Okay, I just want to ask you
Hmm.
guys how many of them you know. Okay. Who is Gullu? Gullu.
Gulshan.
Govind,
Gulshan Grover.
Govinda.
Gulshan
Nee,
Grover.
that's Chichi. Gullu is
Gulshan Grover.
Gulshan Grover.
Yeah.
Gulshan Grover. Now think of the opposite of Gulshan Grover. That's who Gullu is.
Opposite of Gulshan. Acha, good guy. Some good guy is Gullu.
No.
No.
Who would be the last person you would think of if you thought of
He's
Gulshan
somebody
Grover?
whose name has nothing to do with a G or nothing. तो मतलब
Yeah,
कुछ
no
और ही.
shit. Ritik has an H in his name. उसको
Okay,
Duggu
who-
बुला रहे हैं.
If you thought that Gullu was Gulshan Grover, now think of like the opposite person to have that nickname. Are you ready? Can I tell
Nawazuddin.
you?
Shakti Kapoor.
Gullu is the nickname of Aishwarya Rai.
What? Wait, what?
Fuck
One
off.
second.
That
One
is-
second. This
Yeah,
is
who
too
gave us
much
this
to
pet name?
process.
Bhai,
Yeah.
bhai gave us this pet name. She's like, why are you calling me
What?
Gullu? मैं तुझे गुल्लू बुलाऊंगा आज से. ऐश्वर्या बहुत सारे syllables है. It's
But she's like,
syllables.
my pet name is Ash. That's all you have to say. Just Ash. Like Gullu. अरे, but
मैं
Ash is simpler ना. Ash बोला
मैं
ना.
This is
मैं
at
ऐश
Vogue.
बोलता नहीं, मैं ऐश करता हूँ.
It's confusing. I can't deal with two Ash at the same time.
Yeah, I can do and say.
By the way, if this is all source from Vogue, okay? Vogue India has posted this thing.
So that's
Oh,
still
yes,
like,
guys, we are very credible journalists.
Yeah,
We
yeah,
give our sources.
yeah.
अरे but Vogue is still, it's not some
Yeah, it's not some
bollypetnames.com, na, it's
random.
Vogue.
Hmm.
Yeah, yeah.
So Vogue ने क्या, guys, if you have a problem, take it up with Vogue.
Take it up with Vogue. So
Yeah.
Gullu is Aishwarya. Okay. Who is Pappu?
One second. Yeah, why are we going ahead? 1 second. Why are we just discussing
Yeah.
Aishwarya's Gullu and move on? Why? I
It's to be
want to get to that.
dissected.
1 second. Aishwarya Rai was at one point in time one of the most beautiful women in the world. What about whoever gave her this pet name looked at this woman and said, यार इसमें तो उसको गुल्लू वाली फीलिंग आ रही है इसमें. ब्रो
It's a
गुल्लू ऐसे
dirty
कोई
Gullu, na?
मवाली नाके पे मवाली जो रहता है ना वैसे लगता है.
हाँ.
अबे गुल्लू ये
It's
लेके आ. के दे
starts
गुल्लू ऐसे ऐसे
rapping.
थोड़ा साइड में.
No, थोड़ा टाइम में रैप करना शुरू करता है. He becomes Gullu boy. Just-
ऐश्वर्या को गुल्लू कौन बुला रहा है ब्रो?
I think it was she was called Gullu when she was like very young. I think it's a household pet name, but still,
बट
it is weird.
फिर भी तू लड़की को गुल्लू क्यों बुलाएगा? When अगर लड़की का नाम गुलशरण, अच्छा गुल्लू शॉर्ट.
No, no, no.
ऐश्वर्या
The thing is, I think it becomes funnier the more famous she becomes, right? Like, so when
Yeah.
she's a small girl, it's like, okay, cute, घर पे गुल्लू. But then when she becomes, Miss World and the most beautiful Bollywood actress
you
ever,
know,
then
people find out about it, reporters find out, and they just run with it.
Yeah.
Gullu debuts at Cannes
Gullu
Fashion.
Rai. Gullu Rai.
Gullu Rai walks the red carpet at the 75th Cannes Award for L'Oreal. L'Oreal brand ambassador Gullu.
पापरासी आके उसका ए गुल्लू गुल्लू इधर देखो गुल्लू गुल्लू इधर
Oh shit, bro. अगर ऐश्वर्या को देख लिया रास्ते पे तो गुल्लू चिल्लाऊंगा एक बार कंफर्म. जस्ट टू सी अगर बचपन से बुला रहे तो उसके दिमाग में होना कि गुल्लू बोल दिया तो सडनली ऐसे देख लेंगे.
yeah.
चलो.
No, I
So
mean,
a
this-
silly
Actually,
name
what-
that is given to you as a baby. That's what it is. It's a
I'm
silly name
assuming,
that
I'm
probably
assuming.
probably
I mean,
had
but
chubby
if-
cheeks.
If Vogue has gotten their hands of this, then it has gone na somewhere. थोड़ा ट्रैवल तो हुआ है.
Yeah. So she's
So
basically
as a
known
baby,
as Gullu,
the kind of
Gullu
names
Mami.
you give.
She's
Gullu
known as
Mami.
Gullu Mami
हाँ.
to her two nephews. Okay, so that is also.
Ah.
Oh, okay. Now somehow it still seems fine because it's
And you
cute.
add
क्योंकि
Mami at
बच्चे
the
हैं
end
उसको.
of it.
या
हाँ.
छोटे बच्चे के मुंह से अच्छा लगता है बट एक पापरासी के मुंह से
Okay.
मैडम
Ready?
मैडम प्लीज अच्छा बट एज अ बेबी द नेम्स यू गेट आई थिंक दे स्टिक विद यू सो another name which was supposed to be a pet name but became the main name is Tiger Shroff.
Oh yeah.
What?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
I used to always think जैसे Jackie Shroff was Jai Kishan Shroff, right? That's his real name. So then you go by Jackie. So for the longest time, I thought Tiger was
A pet
either
name.
short, pet name or like short for something that's too
Tigreshwar.
complicated.
Tigmanshu.
पता नहीं.
Tigmanshu.
ऐसे.
So Tigmanshu. Okay, wait 1 second. So Jackie Shroff
No.
has a son called Tigmanshu,
No.
and he's like, "भाई, ये बहुत मुश्किल हो रहा है." तो उससे Tiger.
By the way, so sorry to digress or digress actually, because this is this is
Class.
this
That's a
is
good
Tiger
one.
Shroff story. Okay, so he said in this interview, he said that when I was a boy, I was like he was like very he used to play very rough and tumble with people. Okay, so he used to scratch and bite people and all that. So he was very shaitan bacha. So he said that's why I got the nickname Tiger. Okay, because I was like a wild feral boy.
1 second, why is this a normal thing? Like, how are we just brushing this off as
I mean,
a feral child
Feral is
that
my
is
word, but
biting
essentially-
people and scratching them?
But he says, yeah, so I was biting and scratching people, so I used to be called Tiger. Now, he says, why did I become so shy? Because in the 4th standard, he had a crush on this girl. Okay. And he went to the girl and he said, I think you're very pretty. I really like you. And the girl looked at him
She's like, I can't date somebody who's named Tiger.
and walked away. Okay. So she rejected him. He's like, I couldn't
हाँ.
handle the rejection. Like, I was a sports person. He basically said, I'm a sports person, so I'm very competitive. So,
1 second. The one thing a sports person should be comfortable with is
His
loss,
sportsman spirit
because
and loss.
yeah,
Yes.
because you're gonna lose a lot.
1 second. This fucker is 4 years old. क्या? I'm a sports
fourth
person.
standard. Fourth
फोर्थ
Fourth
standard.
स्टैंडर्ड,
standard. अबे
8 साल का,
फिर
चल
भी
8 साल का है, चल.
8-9 साल.
1 मिनट भाई, फोर्थ स्टैंडर्ड में तू अपन चीटिंग कर रहे थे तब तक. आउट हुआ तो आउट नहीं, बैट मेरा है, ये वो. क्या स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन था बे तू फोर्थ स्टैंडर्ड में?
So basically, by the way, so it's that one girl who doesn't or who didn't know it at the time, but she had created Tiger Shroff. So he became very like closed and introverted after this rejection, and he never got over it. And
So what led to the karate?
Because he wanted to beat her boyfriend. जो भी उसका boyfriend है, इसको मारेगा.
yeah, beat her
And
boyfriend and then tell her, "छोटी बच्ची हो क्या?"
it's like, तू भी छोटा ही बच्चा है. What's wrong with you?
Which actor has a nickname of Pappu?
Pappu.
Yeah, he's a
Is it
he's
an
a
actor spot boy?
no, he's a contemporary actor, very active.
अरे मेरे को
Huh?
fuck, मेरे को याद था. मतलब ऐसे as a joke they had called Salman, but it's not his given
I doubt
pet name or
Salman is
something.
called Pappu.
But that
नहीं
is
भाई,
a clue.
पप्पू का
So,
डांस वाला
yeah,
was.
Pappu Khan Dansala was apparently, supposedly on. But
Yeah.
this
That's
person
not.
is known as Salman 2.0.
सलमान, वरुण धवन.
Yes!
क्या बात है, उसका नाम पप्पू है, पेट
Yes.
नेम.
Pet name Pappu. Now, it gets tougher from this point on, okay? Ready?
Oh,
Which actor has the nickname Raymond?
रेमंड.
that guy,
अरे
Rajneesh Duggal, I'm assuming.
No.
He was a Raymond का guy ना?
you think Rajneesh Duggal is making up into a fucking Vogue list of top actor pet names?
I think they're running out at this point. So it's like
He was credited fourth in a movie he was the lead in.
Raymond. Come on, guys.
अरे Raymond was that guy who actually posed for Raymond. He was the Raymond man, ना?
No. It has nothing to do
वो
with
तो
that.
रजनीश भी था ना. हाँ.
अच्छा, रजनीश था क्या? ओके, माय बैड. मेरे को लगा
हाँ.
शम्मी कपूर का बेटा था ना, जो उसने रेमंड की एड वेड की थी,
So
जो
I'll
आधा
tell you.
सेरंग है.
I'll tell you. Oh, it's interesting, by the way. You guys are close. So, what happened is that um, this actor's mother named him Raymond
Hmm.
as she thinks of him as the complete man. So you guys are close.
भाई पब्लिक एड्स देख के एड देख के अपने बच्चों का नाम कर दे.
Yeah.
रेमंड क्या कंटेंट अभी अभी चल रहा है क्या? अभी तक सीन में
Yes.
चल रहा है.
He's very contemporary.
He's a contemporary actor right now.
No,
Who's
no.
contemporary?
He's
कार्तिक आर्यन. कार्तिक आर्यन.
no. We've already spoken about him. That's the biggest clue.
Oh no.
रणबीर.
Yes.
Ranbir.
रणबीर.
So Ranveer, so basically Rishi Kapoor hated his nickname Chintu. So he wanted to give his kids a nickname that would not, that would not be like Chintu. So that's when Neetu Kapoor stepped in and said that I want to call him Raymond because he's the complete man.
So Ranbir Kapoor is called Raymond at home. Raymond.
Raymond Mamu. Raymond Chacha.
I don't know how prevalent
Is
is.
it the pet name supposed to like roll off the tongue or something?
Yeah.
Okay, the next one does. The next pet
Ah.
name actually rolls off the tongue. The next pet name is Raju.
Fuck that. Like everybody.
Is
And I
is that
guarantee you it's not a Raj Kapoor pet name. Oh, it would
Yeah.
come naturally too.
He's still acting today, but he's not of the currentest generation.
Raju.
In fact,
Ajay Devgan.
नहीं. In fact, जो तू बोल रहा है ना,
अजय देवगन का विमल है?
नहीं. सीधे गए विमल मामू कर दे
विमल माथुक
नहीं, wait.
कुछ भी।
Um, what you were saying now, Varun? You were saying something, no? You just kept saying Raju, Raju, Raju in a tone. What was that tone?
What? अरे राजू राजू क्या? What tone?
It's in fact like he's been in a movie where this has
राजू
been.
चाचा,
No,
राजा
ओ
बाबू,
no.
राजू बन गया
नहीं
जेंटलमैन,
The character was called Raju. He played the character of Raju
अनिल
very
कपूर,
famously. Huh?
अक्षय
अनिल
कुमार
कपूर,
Yes, Akshay Kumar.
fuck off, he's called राजू।
Yes.
हेरा फेरी में राजू है वो
Can you
हाँ
अच्छा
can you guess
ओ
why?
वैसा।
Can you guess why? Because his
नो,
real name is
इज
Rajiv.
राजीव
Yeah.
भाटिया
but
So it
that's
was
the thing,
Raju.
उसका नाम राजीव भाटिया, अच्छा that's why he became Raju, but then he
Raju.
changed it to अक्षय कुमार, so he's also Akki।
Yeah.
तो घूम रहा है घर पे, भाई अक्की, हाँ राजू एक मिनट, हाँ
Okay, the last one. Who is known as Fubu?
हाँ,
F-U-B F-U-B-U.
फूबू
Fubu.
फूबू
अरे आई नो दिस, अर्जुन अर्जुन कपूर।
Yes.
I don't know why I know that,
That's
but
crazy. That's crazy.
he's भाई अजय देवगन का रियल नाम बता, चल अक्षय कुमार का रियल नाम राजीव भाटिया है, राइट? अजय देवगन का रियल नाम बता।
आई डोंट नो व्हाई ओनली केसर
Is it? Is it? It has to be what is it? It would be a long name, right? That you have to change to a short one. No idea.
No,
नहीं
that's the thing. I don't understand how some of these work. Like it's not like you are you know, when you get married, after your marriage your name changes, ऐसे करते हैं ना कितने बार? Like my mom's name before marriage was Chand. After that they changed it to Medha, but we still call her Chand. But you have like two different names. ऐसा नहीं है। इसका stage screen name is Ajay Devgan. Real name is Vishal.
Vishal Devgan.
इट्स नॉट अ बैड नेम
Not a bad name.
बट इट्स
No, it's
स्टिल अ
not.
वी
Yeah. Yeah. His
Yeah.
real name is Vishal Devgan. Sunny Deol और Bobby Deol का real नाम बता।
Ajay and something.
अच्छा, I've said that before. अजय एंड विजय,
Vijay.
और उनकी दो बहनें, उनका नाम बता। अजयता एंड विजयता।
Oh
अच्छा
shit, really?
no why would you not put any effort why
Oh
would you
no.
do this
So
मुझे
wait,
टाइम नहीं वेस्ट
did they
करना।
also become Sunita and Babita or
No, no, it's no. No, their names are Ajayta and Vijayta only.
Ajay, Vijay, Sunny, Bobby, Ajayta, Vijayta, Sunita, Babita? That would be the.
नहीं नहीं,
Oh,
वो भी क्या उन्होंने चेंज, उनके बाद
oh.
शायद शादी के बाद चेंज हुआ हो, पता नहीं।
God,
And if I'm not
Babita.
mistaken, if I'm not mistaken, his wife's name, Dharambaji's wife's name is Prakash.
Oh.
नहीं
The one of the endearing ones was that Navjot
हाँ
Singh Sidhu was married to Navjot Singh Sidhu, right? Something like
Yeah. And Indian cricketer Cheteshwar Pujara got married to his wife. His wife's name is Pooja, so she is now Pooja Pujara.
पूजा
But okay. Tell me,
that.
जॉन इब्राहिम के डैड का नाम क्या
टॉम इब्राहिम नहीं
है?
जॉन
John
जॉनी
Abraham's dad's name is Abraham John.
Then,
but 1 second so why don't their surnames don't match that means
no, so it's the in Mallu these things you take the
Mallu वो होता है।
father's name, but it's interesting. कि Abraham John Abraham.
oh I had no idea
There is a
Yeah,
chance there could be a John.
John.
yeah
इसका नाम क्या है? इब्राहिम हाँ?
यही चार
सोच,
नाम.
ये भाई देखो, हमारे ज्योतिष ने बोला है जॉन और इब्राहिम ही यूज होना चाहिए। सर मैं जेब्राहिम और ऑन कर सकता हूँ? हाँ वो कर सकते हो अगर आपको चाहिए तो। Crazy.
Amazing.
कैसे
बहुत फनी।
Okay.
बाय द वे, तुम लोगों को मालूम है which Bollywood movie has a Guinness record?
What?
Bollywood movie that has a Guinness. It's in the Guinness. We have some movies
I
that have
mean,
made it to the Guinness
But
there's
what's
World
some
the record?
Records.
We
category, na?
need
You
to.
can't just be like,
What is
Yeah,
that?
yeah, I'm telling you. I'm telling
huh.
you. I realize I said the same. The category I have not said. So this movie won Guinness Book of Records for the most awards won by a Bollywood movie. Most.
Lagan.
Kauna Pyare.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah.
क्या?
Yeah.
Because all the best actor awards went to this. हाँ.
Bro,
No,
I remember it like it was yesterday. Picture release हुई है. There's like a wave of this Hrithik mania going mad. People going mad. I'm not even kidding, bro. हम
yeah,
लोग
yeah.
स्कूल ब्रेक में ना एक पल का जीना लगाते थे कैंटीन में और सब 7th standard 6th standard में हम लोग बैठ के ये कर रहे हैं. It was insane. And then came award season. Bro, starting from whatever, I think Star Screen Awards used to be the first in the lineup of awards every year. From then, you take any of the Gutka awards that are going on, सब में यही जीत रहा है. Best debut, best actor, best director, best film, best music, best newcomer.
Yeah.
So you best choreography, you name it. Best क्या बोलते हैं
Meaning at one
background
point,
playback singer.
they should have just told the cast and crew of Kauna Pyare, don't leave the stage. Just
हाँ,
wait here. Just
हाँ,
wait
they're
here.
just getting their steps in at this point. It's like कितना है तो आज 15,000 स्टेप हो गया यार बस
You
too
know, at
many
some point, they
stairs.
go like, अरे वापस उठना पड़ रहा है यार.
हाँ
दे देना किसी और को, गदर वदर को दे दे
ये
चल.
सीढ़ियाँ हटाओ थोड़ा रैंप इंस्टॉल कराओ. This is getting too troublesome for me.
But
Crazy word. सब अवार्ड जीते
I
भाई.
also remember at that time, Hrithik was literally on every magazine cover,
Yeah.
every newspaper. Like you couldn't look billboard everywhere. Like you couldn't walk in Mumbai without seeing Hrithik Roshan in your day at least once during that
Hmm.
phase. It's crazy.
Yeah.
Dude, हम
Bro,
लोग के
people
स्कूल
were
में आया था.
kids.
हम लोग का स्कूल
Kids were
एग्जाम सेंटर था. 10th का एग्जाम सेंटर था हम लोग का स्कूल.
और वो
एंड ऋतिक
इन्विजिलेटर था.
नहीं ही showed up. He come to meet principal or something like that. कुछ तो इवेंट के लिए आ रहा था. तो he came and I'm seeing girls who have अपना पेपर के लिए पढ़ रहे हैं. You know that last minute cramming you do. I'm seeing them tear their books का this so that they have something to give him to sign.
Wow.
One second, I want to understand why during your 10th standard exams is Hrithik visiting the school? What
अरे
what
क्योंकि
kind of
हम लोग का
logic?
एग्जाम सेंटर था. उसके बाद there's some annual day or what not. तो उसके लिए उसको चीफ गेस्ट के लिए बुला रहे थे. तो he had just shown up as a meeting.
Yeah, like it's weird to call Hrithik during exams. It's not like he was a topper or anything. वो चूतिया अच्छा डांस करता है. ऐसा नहीं है कि भाई ऋतिक को मैथ्स
But
में
as an
98
invigilator, Hrithik would have been great. He's just shown up and said, one class.
वो एक टाइम में दो इन्विजिलेट कर. अरे भाई वाह काफी फास्ट हो.
अबे उसके
मैं तो
अबे 2 थंब है. 2 थंब से कैसे कर रहा है वो 2?
बताओ क्या.
Okay.
But
Hmm.
Akshay Kumar also has a movie that is in the Guinness records.
Akshay Kumar.
Can you guess Akshay Kumar? Ah, Guinness
Stunt.
record. Guinness record.
For lifting up Undertaker.
No, by the way, just one aside, we were talking about Tom Cruise doing that fucking thing where he has gone on the plane and all of that. Akshay Kumar also went atop a plane, FY actually, and held it like that in a movie called Khiladi 420. Real stunt.
He did an interview also recently where he is like, he was
ये
like,
तो किया हुआ है मैंने.
नहीं he said, देखो जो टॉम क्रूज करता है वो
Hey,
genuinely
calling me.
हाँ अमेजिंग है ये वो. It's beautiful truly and it's not like we can't do it. We can, but you know the amount of resources it needs, like the amount of money he has spent on doing that one motorcycle jump, उसमें तू एक पिक्चर बना सकता है बॉलीवुड का पूरा पिक्चर.
हाँ hands down.
Teen.
So apparently it's
Teen
going to
बना.
have a $300 million loss.
Because it was a bad movie. I'm
Yeah,
so
but
sad to
it
say
required
it
$1
was
billion
bad.
to break even.
Oh.
It needed to
No,
make
but
$1 billion to break even.
but वो तो तू समझ के ही चलेगा ना ब्रो क्या कितना खर्चा करता है. And if there's anyone who can do it, it's fucking Tom Cruise. Love the guy, but I did not enjoy the last movie. They should have stopped it at Fallout.
Fallout
You
was the
didn't even
best.
need.
I
You
It
didn't
was
even
a
need the
genuinely
news.
good action film. Yeah.
I liked Dead Reckoning also to an extent, not as amazing as Fallout, but anyway. Do you guys know
हाँ,
which is Shah
but
Rukh
मैंने
Khan?
आंसर तो किया ही
Oh,
नहीं.
sorry.
Akshay Kumar is in the Guinness records.
हाँ
and it's not for winning the most awards or
Wait,
whatever.
most films called Khiladi.
I mean,
या
if Guinness tomorrow wakes up to decide, then yeah, he probably will.
टेक्निकली
Because
यस
हाँ, तो
हाँ
उसने 20 पिक्चर किया है ब्रो, सब में खिलाड़ी है. I like how you made the title of a movie your shtick.
Yeah.
कि मेरे मूवी सब खिलाड़ी होंगे, but it worked like a thing. तो उसका कॉमेडी पकड़ मिस्टर एंड मिसेस खिलाड़ी, तो एक्शन पकड़ ते बस सब खिलाड़ी है.
Most films released in a year
No,
because
the
it feels like जब भी
the
मैं सांस लेता हूँ
yeah,
तो like,
अक्षय जब भी तो साथ में अक्षय कुमार, watch my movie, it is in theater. No,
uh,
but the award that Akshay Kumar holds is he. By the way, they beat Michael Jackson ka "This Is It" poster. So the award is to have the tallest and the widest poster.
for which film?
वेट व्हाट
It's poster, bro. Poster कितना बड़ा बनाया है वो है. So the
Film is that?
size was
तो ये अवार्ड प्रिंटर को जाना चाहिए ना
the
बेसिकली व्हाई सिट विद अक्षय कुमार
so
वो प्रिंटर एक कस्टमाइज मशीन बनाया है ताकि वो पेपर घुसा सके ये spent
सोच
months
आधा हो गया
engineering
और
this thing.
पेपर जैम हो जाए आधा चल रहा है प्रिंटिंग और पेपर जैम हो गया ऐसा अरे फक
oh fuck.
he has
This
bought
this
he has bought ink by the gallon. तेरे को एक पूरा बैरल डालना है इसमें.
this poster is 50 one second 58.84 meters high and 58.87 meters wide.
Fuck.
Yeah. And it's for his movie called Boss.
Oh,
My movie Boss, which I have fucking no memory of. And like, I don't know what it's about. And dude, you know what? If you're making the tallest, widest, biggest poster in the world, please go and check the poster of Boss. It is just
वन
him.
सेकंड
It's just him
I remember
walking.
this movie. I remember the boss.
oh
I
yeah.
remember this
He's
song.
he's just there standing in a fucking fluorescent green kurta with a purple jacket and denims. Yeah, or Boss. That
Wow.
is the poster. So fucking weird.
Amazing.
One second.
Oh,
Okay. It's such a weird poster.
And
Yeah.
the thing is, Thakur, it beat Michael Jackson's This Is It, right? And Michael
yeah.
Jackson must have seen it and gone, is this it?
This is
Oh, wow. One second, guys. I found one more. Okay, the longest song plus action sequence. ये क्या है? Longest song per action sequence, and that award goes to Prem Ratan Dhan Payo.
Huh? Longest what?
longest song I can assume because it's just if you just introduce every family member in one of these movies, that's the longest song. But
What the
action
fuck does that
sequence,
mean? What the
longest
fuck?
action sequence.
Can you
Are
can
they
you
counting the entire movie as an action sequence?
uh
1 second, guys.
What?
Okay, I
Ah,
I I fact checked it with AI, and it says no. Prem Ratan Dhan Payo did not achieve a Guinness World Record. While it broke several box office records, including biggest opening day collection for a film in 2015, according to trade analysts, it did not meet any criteria for Guinness World Record recognition. So
uh,
no, it didn't.
okay.
oh,
Can you guess which is the one Shah Rukh Khan film with not a single song?
Not a single song. What?
fan.
Yes.
Fan.
Oh,
Yes.
fan में गाना नहीं था.
That song was a promotional
It
song,
was
and
a
they made a
promo
whole
song.
I
boo boo hawa about oh,
oh
this is only a promotional song, movie with no song.
In
I
fact,
remember this, yeah.
the fact that like the reason this is also became very well known was because some guy sued the makers of Fan, saying that you have done wrong promotion because I saw Jabda
Yes.
Fan and that's when I decided I will come and see the movie. And वो
So
गाना
that
था ही नहीं. था
so
ही नहीं वो गाना.
Shahrukh Shahrukh playing a double role is not your convincing factor. It's this one random jabra fan.
Shah Rukh playing a double role in which he's the hero and also the antagonist. And everybody
Hmm.
loves to see Shah Rukh the antagonist, right? The minute you say Shah Rukh is doing a villain's role, public is like, chal on. Because after
शाहरुख बहुत
that,
डबल रोल किया ना लाइफ में, डुप्लीकेट में किया,
हाँ,
फिर फैन में किया,
डुप्लीकेट,
duplicate.
फिर
जवान.
जवान में बेटा और बाप दोनों.
वो बाप है, वही बेटा है, बाप बेटा. बट जवान वाला I like because he's that almost that gray guy. Like he's somebody who'll just kill you without asking. So
No,
that's what
वही
people
तो
love more.
वही तो उसका ट्रिविया था ना that Atlee first went to Allu Arjun for this.
हाँ.
And I think Allu Arjun said no. So when he went to Shah Rukh, what sold it for Shah Rukh was the emotional bond between the father and son. That's what sold it for him. It sold it so much that he's like, एक काम करते हैं, मैं अपना ही बाप प्ले करता हूँ. Bro, like that is, and the second one, the father's role is what I want to watch, bro. उसका
I
पहले
want to
वाला
watch
DH.
that time in his jungle when he's lost his memory or some shit like that, and then jungle में भाई क्या कर रहा है, and just killing people, just killing people in the name of justice.
Okay, so this is Rockstar का trivia. Okay, so Rockstar was shot backwards. Like the climax scenes were shot first. And the reason for that was because at the time that they started filming, Ranveer had long hair. So they
Hmm.
started with the climax, and then that's why Nargis's acting gets better as
So it's good at the beginning of the
it's
movie.
really good
He's
in the
like,
beginning, and then
why is
it's
this happening?
so
How confusing it must be for her. She must be like, एक मिनट, ये क्या चल रहा है? ये कैसे करूँ मैं ये emotion? मैं थोड़ा
by
try
the way,
करती है वो.
fuck, there was one more thing that had recently it started popping off on social media. So it started off with this very provocative tweet which some guy wrote saying कि SRK ने सब छापा है. And then he
Oh
SRK ने
God.
छापा है.
छापा है. Okay. SRK ने सब छापा है, ये देखो. And then he's put, you thought Swades was original. Then he's put this video. Okay. It was from it was a TV episode that had aired like in the 90s. Okay. Where Ashutosh Gavarekar plays, yeah,
Yeah,
it's a love
same.
story ka something. Where he plays
हाँ.
Mohan Bhargav, who comes back to India to take back Kaveri Amma, and then he meets a girl called
Correct.
Geeta, and then.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So basically, Ashutosh Gavarekar had written the script or acted in it or whatever it was, and he expanded it to make Swades. But public are like, how can he do this plagiarism?
So basically, there's somebody who's asking for justice for Ashutosh Gowarekar without knowing Ashutosh Gowarekar directed this movie. He says, ये बेचारे स्ट्रगलिंग एक्टर का एपिसोड लेके शाहरुख ने पिक्चर बनाया और पैसा कमाया है.
और इतना ही नहीं, शाहरुख has completely taken advantage of this actor whose episode he copied into a movie by making him direct the movie also.
या
That is so
मजदूरी
shit.
भी करा रहे हैं एक्टर से, ये कितनी गलत बात है.
ब्रो पब्लिक देखिए, अभी सितारे जमीन पर का भी चालू हो गया ना. अरे इसने छापा है, सेम सीन टू सी. इट्स अ
हम्म.
फकिंग ऑफिशियल रीमेक ऑफ दैट
Oh my.
चैंपियंस मूवी ना.
Champions.
या या
Special remake.
So
ये
it's an
बात-
original Spanish movie that they made into a Hollywood movie also with Woody Harrelson, if I'm not mistaken. And
Yeah, so
now,
I think it's a Spanish movie. Then Woody Harrelson was in the American remake, and I'm sure they're trying to make a British version also. I guarantee it.
guys,
This movie's become like The Office. हर country का एक अलग version होएगा.
one thing I want to talk about is that the importance of casting, okay, of getting
Hmm.
it right. Like casting literally can make or break your film, right? The wrong cast
Yeah,
will just take a
yeah,
good
because
story
like
and
it can
reduce
break.
it.
Yeah, if there's too many people, then the couch can break. So you have to be very careful how you're planning
So,
it out.
so the thing is that,
Couch, casting couch.
like, just imagine, because this is the trivia, okay? Just imagine what this film would look like if this was the cast. So, in Kapoor and Sons, you guys have seen Kapoor and Sons, both of you?
yeah,
Hmm.
we both auditioned for it also, and we didn't
हाँ.
get it.
Amazing. It's a superb movie, by the way. Amazing. If you haven't seen it,
Very nice movie.
okay. So, Fawad Khan's role was initially offered. Can you guess which actor it was offered to? Who would fit that? The older brother who was more subdued,
Hmm.
like restrained.
Salman.
Rahul Khanna. Rahul Khanna.
Salman and Prem version.
Salman.
No.
हाँ.
No.
So
the
Salman was
anecdote
offered
was
what, Rishi Kapoor's role?
he was no. So Fawad in this thing was the more responsible, the more like put together brother. So who do you think would have done this? Who it was offered to initially?
थोड़ा कुछ तो क्लू दे जो
Hmm.
4 करोड़ एक्टर है यहाँ पर.
It was offered.
नहीं, हिंट दे.
Hint.
हाँ तो क्विजिंग विद टिस खेल रहे हैं ना अपन.
So Siddharth Malhotra and this actor did do a film together where I think they were brothers.
अक्षय कुमार.
Yeah.
Oh no, wow, I'm offer Kapoor Sons. I didn't know because I wanted it to be Kumar and Sons. But he's like, no, name is Kapoor. I said, okay, father's name is Kapoor, mom name is Kumar. It's not the name, it's the surname. I don't care.
But I think Akshay in that role, I can't see that film like in my mind.
Not at all.
I can't see that.
1 second. And for that to happen, you have to imagine Akshay with Alia Bhatt also. Because
yeah.
उनका भी थोड़ा एक वैसा रोमांस चल रहा होता है ना मूवी में.
No, that's Siddharth and this one, no?
That's Siddharth and
They also have a connection. Na? She finds him cute or something. Isn't that the thing?
Oh,
I forget. But
that's
I found this
so-
crazy, dude. I
so
can't
weird.
imagine Akshay in that role. I just cannot. Yes.
Yeah.
I also can't imagine me in that role.
Hmm.
Why can't it be Khiladi and Sons? Khiladi and Sons. Action, romance, comedy.
Okay. This film was released in the same year as Dangal. It was initially also called Dangal. But when
Yeah?
Oh, this is that Salman. This is a Salman movie. This is a Salman movie.
It was called Dangal.
Pehlwan.
अरे
नहीं,
Sultan.
Sultan. Pehlwan. It sounded कुछ तो double AN था.
Sultan.
Sultan was initially called Dangal.
Yes.
हाँ, fair enough.
By the way, that's the movie which holds the record for the highest grossing Bollywood movie ever.
Sultan?
क्योंकि पिक्चर फट गई चाइना में. दंगल.
Dangal, yes.
कुछ 5 करोड़ 1000
Guys,
लाख कमाए थे.
I'm on the Zoom TV Instagram. Okay. And I just wanted to get, because quizzes keep coming. So these guys, just to increase their engagement, they put out something. And they've become, all these paparazzi have become infamous for their back shot. पीछे से जाते हैं and people have started getting pissed off.
Guess who?
Please don't call it a back shot.
हाँ. But that's what they call it. पीछे से चाहिए.
They don't call it a follow or anything. They call it back shot.
Back shot. So now you have to guess, who is this guy? Who is this actor? 1 second, sorry.
Who the fuck is that? Why is he hiding?
It's like that video
Yeah, who's this?
of Bigfoot just walks out there. What?
Who is this?
But even
Who's this
no, one
random
second.
dude?
But even when you say Bigfoot का वीडियो वो चलते हुए एक बार तो पीछे देखता ही है ना Bigfoot के. एक बार ले ले फोटो. कंस्पिरेसी में काम आएगा तेरे को.
कौन है यार?
एक
I have
मिनट.
no idea.
It's engaging content.
Yeah, this is actually engaging because I have watched this video 12 times now. So
Bro,
now
this is the
technically,
hack. Imagine the time spent on this 10-second reel is going into millions of zeptillion minutes watched.
Wait, can you
Who the fuck
imagine
is this?
Can you imagine this guy? His friend comes up to him. अरे आज तेरा back shot देखा मैंने क्या?
कौन
क्या
है?
देखा तूने?
अच्छा, comments में it says Saif Ali Khan. Can you see it?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah,
It's F.
Saif Ali
It's
Khan.
F.
Huh?
It's F. It's F.
Yeah.
Now I can say because I'm putting the height together and also पूरा इसका एक खादी लिनन वाला vibe. ये ऐसे ही
हाँ.
पहनता है सैफ. या तो ये पहनता है या तो फिर हाथ पे बंडना और jeans with those boots. But otherwise he's very ऐसे लिनन आदमी. और कौन है back
Yeah.
shot?
Back shots नहीं है. Now I've got some rando news.
Have you
which
seen?
is-
Have you seen? Sorry, before we go ahead, have you seen
हाँ.
those? Paparazzi is standing outside one of these bougie cafe type situation, ठीक है? और आधा बैंड्रा खोद के रखा हुआ है. तो तू सेलिब्रिटी भी हुआ, अगर कैफे के सामने का रास्ता खुदा हुआ है तो तू गाड़ी नहीं ला सकता, ठीक है?
हाँ.
तो थोड़े आते हैं चल के गड्ढों के थ्रू पोर्टल्स के थ्रू जाने के लिए अंदर। तो एक था वीडियो आउटसाइड फार्मर्स मार्केट, ठीक है, और फार्मर्स कैफे और सब।
हाँ, वो तो पूरा खोद दिया है, वो पूरा खुदा हुआ है रोड।
पूरा
हाँ।
खोद दिया। वो रास्ते में चलते हुए आ रहा है और पैप्स को मिल गया दूर से, तो उसने लिया उसका पूरा वॉक, ठीक है। दैट इज तुषार कपूर। वो जस्ट वॉकिंग ऐसे ओवर गड्ढास, इसको ले लिया है बाकी नेटिजन ने, ठीक है, और इसका बना दिया नो फैन नो प्रॉब्लम। So now there's a page which is no fan, no problem, where you see these guys just walking, paps, papping them, and nobody coming for autographs or anything. So they had a video of this Tushar Kapoor and one of poor Arjun Kapoor on a Rapido type scooter. But come up, गलियों के तो nobody is stopping.
It's just they're just living their lives, and इसके पूरा का पूरा is just all out on display. बेचारा वो,
Yes.
so that means they can't even, like, if you really do want to go on a Rapido bike, you can never do it because somewhere किसी ने कुछ वीडियो निकाल लिया, and that's a judgment on,
Such a
अरे बहुत
normal, it's a
प्रॉब्लम चल
normal
रही
thing. It's a
yeah.
normal thing. In fact, it's cool, right? If you are a celebrity and all also, फिर भी तू अरे बाइक टैक्सी लेके निकल रहा है, right? It's a normal
Hmm.
thing. Like you should, but no fan, no problem.
No fan, no problem. Uh,
Okay.
I have
So
to,
I've
okay.
got I've got some I've got some quotes and tidbits of news. Okay. So these are quotes from, this is from Mandira Bedi, and she's talking about DDLJ because DDLJ made, like, it crossed an anniversary year or something, na, this
It's
year.
yeah, it's still
Hmm.
running in Maritime
Yeah.
Hindi.
So they asked Mandira Bedi about her DDLJ moment, and the one she chose to tell is the time Saroj Khan told her, and I quote, "You dance just like Sunny Deol shaking your shoulders."
What?
And she's like, "This has traumatized
Wow!
me."
Wow!
That
You
is,
dance like तो मंदिरा बेदी ओ यार यार ये कर रही है क्या?
Now I'm going to go back and watch DDLJ and just concentrate
That
on Mandira Bedi.
then you just see her in the side. सॉरी सॉरी क्या गाना था वो? था ना
oh,
ऊपर
dude,
टेरेस पे जो
yeah.
गए
And
थे?
हाँ.
she was in Dilwale
क्या गाना
Dulhania
था?
Le Jayenge, which is still running at Maratha Mandir. So
Hmm.
No,
she's
I don't
an,
think it is anymore. Huh? I think
what?
isn't Maratha Mandir raised?
But
हाँ.
she's not a Maratha Mandira Bedyani. That's all I wanted to say. Thanks.
I
Well
And
done.
it's so fucking weird, bro. When I said Maratha Mandir up top and he said Mandira Bedi, मैं already दिमाग में सोच रहा था कि
क्या करूं,
इसको कैसे
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 कैसे टेट्रिस
कैसे
को बैठाऊं मैं?
कैसे बिठाओ कि मराठा मंदिरा सब एक साथ आ जाएगा, और तूने पकड़ लिया मस्त। Hey guys, watch our show.
Come
Anyway,
get my some tickets.
I need you to play this game. Okay, this game is called
Hmm.
Guess the Bollywood Celebrity. I'm going to tell you trivia pieces from his IMDb trivia page. Okay,
Hmm.
and let's see how many trivias it takes for you to get it. Okay, ready? Let's start
Hmm.
with this. His debut film. His debut film was screened at the Marrakesh Film Festival.
This is fake.
It's so bad they didn't want anybody who understands Hindi to watch this
हाँ.
movie. तो
And then
सीधा
you,
Morocco भेज दी,
okay, so Marrakesh Film Festival.
where it got a
That's
5 minute standing ovation. जरा क्या चल रहा है क्या? What did you don't understand?
सबटाइटल्स अच्छा था, सबटाइटल का फॉन्ट.
Okay, that's trivia one.
Marrakesh.
Trivia two.
Marrakesh.
He's the first man to feature twice on the cover of Men's Health India.
First man to feature
ईशान खट्टर,
twice.
Huh?
ईशान खट्टर।
No, no, no.
Twice नहीं है ना?
It's
अरे
interesting.
उसका था ना पिक्चर, he did that माजिद मजीदी का पिक्चर किया था ना
I know,
उसने।
but twice
You
on
know, by the way,
men health.
I'm equating it to a Marrakesh film festival. उधर रोहित शेट्टी की पिक्चर तो नहीं जा रही, ठीक है,
I
गोलमाल
have, I
5।
have,
अबे लेकिन रोहित शेट्टी कितना पिक्चर कान वान जाता है? Have you not seen the
अगर
kind of movies that get screened at Cannes?
नहीं रोहित शेट्टी का पिक्चर कान में जाता है जोर से, क्योंकि हम में हर दोस्त में बच रहा होता है। और अगर गोलमाल उधर जा रही है देखने, तो फिर तुझे जॉइंट माराकेश देखना पड़ेगा वो पिक्चर।
By the
I
way,
knew that was
guys,
very funny.
I have news to share with you.
अबे
गोलमाल
कंप्लीट तो कर।
5.
Arey, wait,
हाँ,
wait, wait.
अरे नहीं, लेकिन गोलमाल 5 का plot is ready.
What?
Yeah, the plot is ready. This is news.
What is this plot announcement?
Yeah, it's just they're just saying, "Okay, this time we have a plot, so don't worry, guys. We figured this out. We need a plot to make a movie. We are
मेरा पूरा लैप
unless they unless
मेरा
by
लैप
plot they
फुल है।
mean एक और घर लिया और वो घर के अंदर शूटिंग होने वाला है।
मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ। They figured the plot where the bungalow
Shooting
was
is
going to
going
be
to
made.
happen.
उधर जाके नारियल फोड़ा एक बार प्लॉट तो रेडी है एंड द एक्टर्स आर लाइक नहीं नहीं मतलब क्या हो रहा है ये तो है प्लॉट
अरे
अरे
प्लॉट
बट प्लॉट क्या हो रहा है यही हो रहा है ये प्लॉट है बट यहाँ होगा क्या है स्क्रिप्ट
दिस
नहीं है
ये एक्टर ऐसे एक्टर को निकालो अक्षय कुमार को बुलाओ चलो।
तो
Tushar
बहुत
Kapoor,
सवाल पूछ रहा है
when they write the lines for Tushar Kapoor no, for Golmaal, they basically write the full dialogue. Then they delete all the consonants and only leave the matras.
इमेजिन उसका चलते जाएगा तेरे पास तुषार कपूर एम्प्लॉयमेंट गारंटी स्कीम चालू है
It's amazing.
ये वहाँ
Okay,
4 साल
wait,
के
wait,
Okay,
Mao,
okay.
माओ
Marrakesh,
coming back,
Marrakesh Film
coming.
Festival,
Marrakesh
Marrakesh
Film
Film
Festival,
Festival, and twice on Men's Health magazine.
twice on
Okay.
Men's Health. He has a special interest in rugby and basketball. Yes.
या
Oh, Rahul,
Rahul
नहीं, not
Bose.
Rahul
Rahul
Bose.
Bose.
No, no.
What? You said rugby and the answer is not Rahul Bose? Because literally you can't mention Rahul Bose without somehow rugby. ब्रो मैं उसको एक पार्टी पे मिला था मैं किसी को ये जोक बोला कि अरे राहुल बोस आया है तो अभी रग्बी की तो बात होगी एज ए जोक हम लोग हाई फाइव किए वी लिटरली वॉक द बॉल राहुल बोस बाज में खड़ा यू नो समथिंग रग्बी इज
Wow, that's amazing.
He's on the national team or something, na?
What?
Indian
Yeah.
national
But
team.
still is
He's
wow.
very good. He's very good. So still, like हम लोग have a
So-
shot when
This gentleman has played for the Delhi Hurricanes rugby team. That is also a clue. He has been the brand ambassador for New Zealand tourism in India for 2 consecutive years.
New Zealand tourism.
I have not seen a single ad for New Zealand tourism. I've
Because
never
they're like
seen.
यहाँ पे मत आओ. Don't ruin anything that
Don't
we
know
have.
exactly. इधर
Okay.
आके तुम कचरा मत करो.
He is a
नहीं bro.
he is a certified scuba diver.
भाई इसने कभी इसका तूने एक भी कुछ ट्रिविया क्या ही learned acting at Lee Strasberg. He went to
हाँ,
Kishore
why is
Namit
this
Kapoor.
actor? This actor has nothing to do with acting.
No,
Rugby, tourism, scuba diving, Marrakesh. जरूरत ये
he
क्या है ये?
okay, I'll tell you. This is now education. Okay. Completed his education from Don Bosco School and Naval Public School in Delhi. Holds a BCom degree from Shahid Bhagat Singh College, University of Delhi.
एक शाहरुख खान है क्या?
शाहरुख खान है क्या?
नहीं।
हाँ मेरे को भी लगा.
Right? Okay, now I will tell you. There is a connection to
Bro,
Shahid.
the
You might
the
get
main
it now.
close, the main connect is Marrakesh, bro.
Yeah.
वो वाला सोच कौन अपने में से इधर जो पंटर लोग हैं उन लोगों की पिक्चर माराकेश जा रही है ठीक है
I
तो
don't
तू
think that's the
auto-
right line of thinking.
no so they had a pop-up Bollywood pop-up at Marrakesh
I'll tell you what it was. Okay, here's the thing. Okay, ready? You might get it from this. Started his Bollywood career as an assistant director for the film.
they all do they're
For the
all
film,
assistant director student
My
of the
Name
year.
is Khan.
Oh
What? 1 second. What? This is this Varun
Ibrahim.
Dhawan?
Ibrahim
Hmm?
Ibrahim
No?
नहीं Iggy नहीं
That
है
is
Iggy
close-ish, very warm.
सिद्धार्थ मल्होत्रा
Varun
Siddharth?
Dhawan. Yes, Siddharth Malhotra is correct.
yeah
Siddharth Malhotra was correct.
Oh.
which is why when you My Name is Khan was before Student of the Year.
But
It's
what is
always one of these
Marrakesh?
guys.
What is his
And
Marrakesh Film
attended the
Festival?
Marrakesh Film Festival where his film Student of the Year was also
देखा? Might as well have been Golmaal.
My Golmaal would be better.
So,
Student of the Year went to Marrakesh.
film festival. Wild.
Wow, bro.
So,
Wow.
this is all on the IMDb trivia page. I thought it was very interesting. And I said it
Oh.
Marrakesh first because I knew it would lead to this kind of confusion.
Yeah, it's just because Thakur threw us
Yeah,
off
so-
actually. हाँ,
अरे मेरे
Thakur
को लगा
leaned
कुछ
into it.
जैसे आर्ट हाउस टाइप होगा.
Exactly.
Back in my head, I was first also thinking that is it Vicky Kaushal? क्योंकि मसान फसान में गया था ना.
हाँ. Bhai, do you guys know Haley Shah? I'm just reading random
What?
news from Film Festival.
What?
Haley Shah.
Who's
Haley
that?
Shah
Who's
is,
Helly?
there's a news, it just showed up. This 3 days ago or something, she put out she made a statement where clarifying why she didn't attend the Cannes Festival this year.
Okay. What was
Why?
the reason?
Why? I
He
don't
said
care.
because Jinal Tapadia was not going and Rinki Mehrotra said she can't make it, so Helisha said she is also not going. This is
But
like
no one cares.
you
एक
know,
तो कान हो गया है. And on top of that, this is why I didn't go.
दिस इज लाइक दैट डे अपन जब भी टूर पे थे लास्ट टाइम अपन ने न्यूज में पढ़ा था ना कोई तो एक बॉलीवुड सप्लीमेंट था उसमें था रिधिमा पंडित सेज शी इज नॉट गेटिंग मैरिड टू शुभमन गिल
Oh.
Yes, I'm not getting married to Shubman Gill.
I want to be
Yeah.
famous enough. I want to be famous enough to be just suddenly go, no, 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 I didn't date Katrina Kaif in college. No, that's just a rumor.
No, it's not even, you don't even have to say. Just say, you're not. I'm not getting married to Shubman Gill. Okay, you're not lying. You are not getting married to Shubman Gill. And just some written. I'm not getting married to Shubman Gill. What the
And
fuck
it's a
does that mean?
headline.
Like, bro, bada. Ridhima says, I'm not getting married to Shubman Gill.
Um,
Oh,
okay.
shit.
Can you guess this actor? Okay,
Hmm.
I'll only give
Elisha.
you.
Elisha.
It's not Elisha. Okay, so this actor made his debut at the age of 40. Okay.
Ah,
In
Baman
in
Irani.
19 no, no, in 1971. But you'll
Oh,
know him. He's a
Kishore Kumar.
very no. 1971, 40. He made his debut at the age of
40.
40.
A.K. Hangal.
No. He
No, he was 70.
he holds the record for most Filmfare wins in the best supporting actor category.
A
He
supporting actor.
yes. Harrison Ford said this about him. He was the
Oh,
most
Amrish Puri.
finest. Yes.
Amrish Puri.
Yes.
oh,
Yes.
ब्रो मैं उस दिन ही बोल रहा था मैं बहुत मिस करता हूँ अमरीश पुरी को ब्रो
Dude, Amrish
मतलब
Puri
ऐसे
was
नॉट ऑन अ
the.
डेली बेसिस कि अरे शिट अमरीश चले गए
Yeah,
मैं
40.
जब
Why didn't I just go first to Amrish Puri? I actually know that he debuted at 40 because मैं बोलता हूँ he debuted at 40, which gives me a lot of hope.
Yeah.
yeah we still have 2 years no but I was
Reshma
watching
or
when
Shira.
randomly when you watch like old Bolly movies and like Amrish Puri used to be there like throughout
In
no
everything. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
whether he's playing negative, whether he's the father, whether he's cute, uncle, this, that. He is such a brilliant actor, bro. I remember one time, वो कौन सा picture था? Laksh. Here's why I like Laksh. Apart from it's a well-made movie and all of that, even for the smallest of parts, they have taken the hardest of actors. Right? Om Puri आके 5-6 लाइन बोल के गया, but all those lines fucking hit hard. अमित जी कर रहे अपना. Amrish Puri comes for 2 scenes. Like I remember it very clearly right after the interval, where he is the main. I don't know the level of army he's at, but whatever general, whatever is the big one, and Amit ji has to report to Amrish Puri, and वो दो line बोलता है bro, but वो दो line भी when you hear it as and see it as Amrish Puri doing it,
Hmm.
suddenly the line becomes like, oh fuck, wow, serious. उसके जगह पे तो कोई ऐसे लेता किसी और को ना, it wouldn't have that same impact, man. I'll never
Yeah.
forget. It's so clear in my head. Too good he
And
was.
there's
I
two
don't
other.
see Tiger Shroff. I don't see Tiger Shroff saying Amrish Puri's lines ever.
Hey, do Choti Bachchi Ho Kya as Amrish Puri?
Which one? छोटी बच्ची हो क्या?
बच्चे हो
बच्ची
क्या?
Hilarious. Amazing.
See, but that hits harder automatically. When you like, you start questioning,
It's
अरे am I a
scary.
छोटी बच्ची? Or you get scared, कुछ है impact. ताए छोटी बच्ची हो क्या? Public हंस के meme बना रही है.
All right, guys, are you ready for another Guess the Actress?
Hmm.
This is another gem from the vault of the IMDb trivia section. Okay, so I'll start with, with the hardest to guess. But if you get it, I'll be amazed. Okay, ready?
Hmm.
Born at 1:30 a.m. IST. Why do we know this?
Why? Why does whoever is taking this know this unless it's the actor writing himself or herself? Or that parents 1:30 a.m.
1:30 a.m.
Let's see.
Okay, ready? She was supposed to star in a film
अच्छा
inspired.
एक्ट्रेस है.
Her actress
हाँ.
supposed to star in a film inspired by Charlie's Angels, where the three angels would be. And so this will also give you a clue as to what era. It would be this actress, Shushmita Sen, and Lara Dutta.
Oh, Aishwarya Rai.
प्रियंका चोपड़ा. प्रियंका
Priyanka
चोपड़ा.
Chopra.
Oh, I would
Priyanka
assume they're just
Chopra.
going Miss World, Miss Universe, Miss Earth.
Oh, didn't think
तो
of that.
अबे फिर नहीं, मिस वर्ल्ड, मिस यूनिवर्स, मिस एशिया पैसिफिक, फिर दिया मिर्जा आती है उसमें.
Wow, amazing. Well done, well done. But
हाँ.
you have to read some of the trivia here. Okay, ready?
Hmm.
Her handbag always contains a tube of hand cream, sunglasses, two brands of perfume, her
This is the
wallet, and a
same.
bottle of Tabasco hot sauce.
ये इसने कोई इंटरव्यू में बोला होगा ब्रो, ऐसे जोक कि मैं अमेरिका में रहती हूँ, मुझे स्पाइसी खाने का मन करता है तो मैं टोबास्को डालती हूँ.
हाँ.
Then she sent a legal notice to ex-boyfriend Asim Merchant in 2014. This was because Asim was going to make a biopic on her ex-secretary Prakash Jaju. Priyanka thought it would be an invasion of her privacy since the film would also include her personal problem with Prakash. What?
हाँ ये कुछ था. आई रिमेम्बर दिस नेम, प्रकाश जाजू ब्रो. बॉम्बे टाइम में बहुत आता था इसका. कुछ तो इसने
अरे but
लफड़ीज
he was
किया
a
था.
big, हाँ, he was one of the old school Bollywood managers.
या. Like you
She
remember Riku Rakesh Nath? You remember Riku?
Hmm.
माधुरी दीक्षित का मैनेजर हुआ करता था.
uh,
So वो टाइम पे you didn't have like big fucking casting companies and all of that ना. तेरे एक रेगुलर कोई है जो इंडस्ट्री में तेरे संभाल रहा है. So they reached a certain level of fame too, which was this Riku Rakesh Nath, if I'm not
Hmm.
mistaken his name.
I have to tell you a few more pieces of trivia, ending with the best one. Okay, on Priyanka. So, so she did her. She wanted to basically be a criminal psychologist at some point.
Hmm.
So wanted to become a software engineer or a criminal psychologist. Now we have a connection on this podcast to this next fact. While shooting the
Hmm.
song, "Do Me a Favor, Let's Play Holi"
Hmm.
in the film Waqt, Race Against Time, she stepped on a live wire and received a shock. She
Oh,
was hospitalized for
fuck.
a day. But my favorite fact is this. On her right wrist, she has a tattoo that reads "Daddy's Little Girl"
Hmm.
in
Yeah, I
late
remember.
father's handwriting.
1 second, I want to go back to during the shoot of Do Me a Favor, Let's Play Holi, a song about Holi,
With
rainfall,
water
water,
all around.
with water all around. They have a running line wire just kept there. And it's so poetic because she gets a shock. And if something serious would have happened, it would have been a Waqt race against time for her, bro.
Good. Good.
Fuck, ये करते करते, oh, ये देख, bro. Guess what? Kareena Kapoor attended her current husband's first wedding when she was 10 years old.
Oh yeah, this is very famous.
Just saw
Whoa.
that.
Whoa. That's a.
Dude, that meme that does the rounds, it's too funny. The other one also, the where Ibrahim and Sara are holding Taimur and someone's captioned it Saif and Amrita.
Ranbir Kapoor.
Something
वैसा
like
है ना?
that. Very funny.
Yeah. Because they all looked very similar. Like even the younger
Hmm.
kid, you know, the typical Kapoor look, white, fair, light eyes type. तो सब लोग किसी ने था कि Ibrahim and Sara holding Ranbir Kapoor and it's that J Baba, दूसरा वाला. It's too funny. By the way, you know this Govinda trivia? Govinda was to become a monk.
Sure. Dude, at this point, I don't believe anything that comes about Govinda, which is slightly unbelievable because Govinda has gone on and उसके मुंह से भी निकलेगा ना, I won't believe it because he was अवतार का आइडिया उसने दिया है. जेम्स कैमरन
उसने
वांटेड टू कास्ट. ही इज लाइक मुझे ब्लू नहीं बनना था क्योंकि ब्लू से मेरा स्किन खराब हो जाता, इसलिए मैंने ना बोल दिया पिक्चर को.
and he says अवतार. नहीं, वो
अवतार.
पहले कुछ बोल रहे थे तो मैंने उसको बोला नहीं अवतार होना चाहिए. मैंने उनको बोला आ जाओ आप डिनर पे आ जाओ. जेम्स कैमरन के पास में बात कर रहा है कि मैंने उनको बोला आ जाओ. मैंने ही आइडिया दिया उनको, बोला आ जाओ डिनर पे. Just imagining James Cameron just sitting there with Govinda. भाई तू मेरे को पता क्या करूं, किस बारे में बनाऊं मैं ये पिक्चर. Oh fuck bro, he's too funny. और क्या? और कुछ है? फैस?
Do you want to do guess the actor?
हाँ चल,
हाँ
लास्ट
बता बता
लास्ट दो तीन करते हैं फटाफट, कुछ क्रेजी वाले.
Crazy wale. Uh, what the fuck? Um,
Exactly that reaction वाले.
yeah, that's what we need.
there's a lot of trivia on this particular actor. Um, okay, so I'll start with some of these pieces of trivia. Okay, so he directed Bobby Deol and Twinkle Khanna for their first ever video test in 1991.
This is an actor.
This is an actor, Sunny Deol.
Actor. No. In
Dharmender.
college, Bobby Deol starred in a video film directed by two people. One of them was this actor. The second one was Vikram Bhatt. So Bobby Deol in college has acted in a film directed by this actor and Vikram Bhatt. The film had songs, action, etc., and was shot in Khandala. Fellow college schoolmate Lubna Siddiqui starred opposite him. The other video movie made starred Atul Agnihotri.
Fuck,
Oh
I don't know.
God.
He was incorrectly credited as Master Chotu in Pyari Behna on several websites.
Oh my
Master
God.
Chotu was a child artist who previously worked in the film Disco Dance.
Yeah. But that's like way back when. How can he? Huh.
No, कौन था? Who's this actor who's directed Bobby?
Wait, I'm trying to give you more clues so that you get the thing. He was producing a film titled Barf starring Manoj Bajpayee and Sushmita Sen, directed by Vishal Bharadwaj, but decided to shelve the film due to undisclosed reasons. This was in 2000.
What the hell is this?
This
A
guy
big
is
actor?
There's a lot of shelved movies in this trivia page. I don't know why.
But this guy is still an actor. He's not a director.
Still an actor. He is also a director, but mostly known for his acting.
He's also director.
Also a director.
Can't be Farhan Akhtar.
No.
There's so many movies that got shelved. What is happening in this trivia page? In 2008, Anis Bazmi was supposed to make a comedy for UTV titled No Problem with this actor Nana Patekar, Ritesh Deshmukh. It got shelved. Later, the same title was used for another Anis Bazmi film.
Yeah, called No Problem.
Huh. In the
Which was a
God.
sequel to Thank You.
Thank you ka. Okay, no problem. See you later
think so.
also. I'm assuming see you later was also
It's in the
something
trilogy.
registered. Huh.
his father
Thank you, no
acted
problem.
with
See you later.
his father acted with Amitabh Bachchan in Mr. Natwarlal.
अरे भाई मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि साला मेरे साथ किसने है?
Oh God, how is this not?
He has
How is
two
this not
kids.
hitting home?
He starred in another shelved film called Kalyug starring Sanjay Dutt, Pooja Bhatt,
अरे
Lisa.
fuck this guy bro. Why just
Kunal
making shelved
Khemu.
movies?
Kunal
नहीं,
Khemu.
what? कुणाल खेमू
अरे
मेरे साथ था
director,
कॉलेज
actor.
में,
Oh,
बॉबी
no.
डोल के साथ नहीं.
No.
He directed Bobby in a college movie, bro. So it's like early 90s.
He's friends with a very famous director, and the reason they have a bond is because they are both sons of well-known
Sunny
action
Deol. Sunny Deol तो
action
शुरू में बोल दिया.
Action
हाँ.
directors.
अजय देवगन.
Ajay Devgan.
Ajay.
Oh.
He's son of Viru Devgan. That's how. हाँ, ठीक है.
Okay.
Yeah.
But can you believe that there is a film co-directed by Ajay and Vikram Bhatt, starring Bobby Deol? Bro, they should re-release that today.
Just
That
release it.
Oh.
Release the Devgan cut. And not cut the surname Devgan.
surname.
By
Release
the way,
the cut where you were pronouncing your surname correctly, writing it correctly.
Bro, but also please go to the IMDb page of Ajay, because you will find out every film that was shelved. Part of, I'm not kidding. He was he was part of Kuku Kohli shelved film Asar, The Impact. He
Asar the impact. Asar the impact.
It sounds like someone. Oh
It's like a
God.
subtitle or language subtitle होता है ना. Let's go there. चलो वहाँ चलते हैं वैसे. Asar the impact.
Asar the impact. He starred in the shell movie starred movie Chaliya, starring Ajay Devgan and Tabu. How are these movies getting shelved? What?
What the fuck?
It's a movie called Chaliya. I think shelved is the max it's reaching.
He learned Urdu from Baby Guddu's father, M.M. Beg. This was prior to Ajay entering films.
Oh.
Ajay
Good.
learned Urdu.
From Baby Guddu's father.
जैसे कि हिमाकत.
He
Acha, this is
starred in
another.
Gaurav Sinha directed shelved movie Sargana.
How many movies were shelved? How many shelved movies is Ajay standing
Arey,
on?
because he needs two
Each-
shelves. He needs two shelves to do a split. So दो shelf के बीच में अपना टांग डालेगा. So he needs two shelves at least every year.
Oh man.
Fuck.
See, he started
Okay,
Aparna
this
Sen's
is
shelved movie. Sorry. That's
Ajay
wrong.
Devgan calls Amir Khan his lucky mascot, which is such a weird piece of news.
All the
Ajay Dev, Amir Khan calls Ajay Devgan his lucky mascot, or Ajay
No.
Devgan calls Amir.
No, Amir Khan has been known to be Ajay Devgan's lucky charm, but he's not done any movies with Ajay Devgan.
Why is he the lucky charm?
Hey,
He
did
met.
They did Ish.
Yeah. Correct. How did we forget that? Ish.
Yeah.
Superb they were
Ish.
together.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
that's it. And after that, they did no movies together. So why is Amir Khan Ajay's lucky charm?
You
Not
think
Ish.
every Ajay Devgan movie has Amir Khan somewhere in the background, just like comes and goes, and now everybody has to go look.
You think Amir directed Ajay towards Vimal? You think Ajay, I think. मेरे पास एक स्ट्रैटेजी है तुम्हारे लिए कुछ अच्छा करो अच्छा हाँ क्या करो
Amazing.
Wow.
डन और मैं और नहीं हंस सकता ब्रो आज के लिए
Guys,
इतना ही
अभी
इसको
तक हम
थोड़ा
लोग ने
बचा के रखते हैं
हाउसफुल 5 के बारे में बात नहीं की.
In another
Oh,
time, I'm sure
fuck.
we'll do multiple episodes.
Yeah,
of
we'll
Multiple
do-
endings.
we'll do. Guys, you know what would be great? If y'all have any crazy Bollywood trivias that we missed on, I'm sure there is a shit ton out there. तो थोड़ा हम लोग को भी भेज दो Bollywood trivia and we'll speak about those in the next part. आज के लिए इतना ही episode में. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. And yeah, that's it from this episode. We'll see you again next week. Until then, it's goodbye. Take care. Tata. Salamesh.
Hold up.
Man,
I can't imagine Gullu is Aishwarya Rai, bro. Gullu.
Gullu.
गुल्लू कैसा है मस्त है तू कैसा है गुल्लू
By the way, Paresh Rawal is back in Hera Fairy 3.
अरे हाँ भाई 25 करोड़ के लॉसूट का चक्कर है बाबू भैया आ जाती है पब्लिक वापस घूम फिरा के
The BTS of Hera Fairy is the actual Hera Fairy now.
what if that is the movie that
Yeah.
is the movie and they are
They're
smart
trying to
enough
make
to
a
shoot it
movie, and that's what's happening.
meta
क्या बात है